Hi everyone, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a scrolling game on Scratch. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to get a sprite. I'm not going to use the cat sprite. Let's use a sprite. Let's go with the unicorn running. We've never used this before, so let's use it. And now let us add a stage. So now if you take a look at the stage, you will see that stage selected, no motion blocks. So you want the backdrop to move, so basically you are going to need the motion block. But in the case of Sprite, if you look, you have many motion blocks there. So what we are going to do is make our sprite is going to be a backdrop. The sprite is going to be one of the backdrops. So basically what we'll do is paint a sprite. There are two ways you can use. Either just go ahead and paint something simple like this one. You can go with, any, yeah. You can just paint this like this. Also make some rocks here. So we'll choose gray for making rocks. Make a circle like this one. Then take this reshape tool and just like make it something like this. And then go ahead, get a darker gray. Make another circle. Choose the reshape tool and yeah, this is how you make this. So now I've made the rock as well, and voila. So if you want to make, you can also paint a backdrop, but in case you don't like this, you want something else, what you can do is basically just go ahead and choose. Now you'll get a code, and let's just go ahead and click on choose a backdrop. Then you can choose anyone. Let's go with forest. So next what you will do, we're not going to add motion in this, but we are going to go to backdrops tab, select this backdrop, copy it. You can copy it, click on this, or either Control C. Then delete this backdrop. Again, go to the sprite one, costumes, paste it, or either shortcut key. For a shortcut key, you can use Control V. Then here we are. We have got, 1 second please. Yeah, so we have got a backdrop now. So this is what our backdrop. But if you take a look, where is our unicorn? It's just behind this, the sprite one, which was our backdrop. It was just under it. So Looks has a perfect sprite for that, which is go to front layer and we'll click on the front and make it back. Voila, we're done. So now it's on, but we want it to go to the back layer. Then we click on the green flag. So basically, even if it's on the top, when we click on the green flag, it'll go to the back layer. So next what we'll do is go ahead to motion and drag, go to X and Y, make the X as 0 and the Y as 0 as well. Next, go to control and drag forever, and then go to motion and drag change X by 10. Now if we make the change by any number which is not a negative, it'll go this way, but we want it to go towards the left, so we will have to make it a negative number. So let's make it -5. Then we'll go to control again and drag if then block. Next we'll go to operators and drag the greater than operator. Then we'll go ahead to motion, drag X position in the first circle, and over here we're gonna make it -460. Next we'll drag go to X and Y over here, and also we're gonna drag this in this over here, as you see. So over here we'll drag it. Next then we have to make it 465 and make the Y as 0, and right now this is what it looks like. So you must have noticed that there's a wide gap in here, so we want to fill the gap. So what we'll do is duplicate it, and then now you might have probably noticed that there's no difference coming here when we play it. This is because our duplicate is under that layer, so we have gotta stop it and just put it somewhere. So we'll put it here, or for something better, we'll get the same code when we duplicate, but just in this block, if you take a look at, we're gonna make it 4, 6, and 5. Enter, and this is how it looks. But basically you might have noticed that these two are not matching, so I'm just gonna flip it horizontally. Yeah, looks better now. So you probably might have feeling it much better, and yeah, but to make it look a bit more realistic, let's add some code to the unicorn. So select the unicorn sprite, then drag when green flag clicked, go to control, I'm just gonna zoom in, go to control and drag forever, then go to looks and drag next costume, then again go to control, drag wait 1 second and make it 0.1 second. In the video tutorial on how to make a walking animation I made, I actually had shown you something similar, but I added something like move 10 steps and all, but in this we don't have to add that because over here our sprite is not moving, but the background is moving, which makes it seem like the sprite is going on running. So basically also in that video I shown you make it 0.5, but I noticed that 0.1 was much smoother, so yeah, this looks much better and looks great as well. Next, if you want, you can also add some sound to it. Select the stage, go to the sounds tab, delete the pop sound, go to the sounds library, select loop, choose any sound you like. Next, to add the sound, we'll go to when green flag clicked, drag forever, go to sound, play sound, classical piano until done. I know this sound doesn't match, so but still, let's this looks good. This is too loud, so yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. Not just this kind of a project, but you can make many more games, many more animations using this scrolling background. So yeah, this is how you make a scrolling background. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye!